Okay, so I have found it how these pictures work. So if you come to this menu area, for this you have to come to the appearance, then menus, and then you see under the investment, these four menu items are the sub items. So by opening this menu item, if you see this here, it's written people who trust us. If you open the website and if we hover over these investors, we see people who trust us. And this little paragraph is written here with this slider image and this button. So if we come to the menu area and if I open this avatar menu options from here, so I just need to check which widget is taking up these things. So if I see this area, this is mega menu widget area. So it says investors column one. So I will go to this widgets area and then I'll have to check this investors column one. So if I check this investors column one and open this text is written read about our investors who helped us along the way and who lives in our vision for about and whatever it is. So this thing is this and there's the slider picture and everything like the text and the pictures there everything is coming from here. So we can see this this is the button of view investors. That's here like this view investors button. If we proceed further in the menu, this is image column. Okay, so I don't need to check this image column. I guess this is not gonna work. This is not gonna do anything. Yes, because if there's no menu, so we'll just remove it. So we are left with investors column 1 and investors column 2. So if I open this investors column 1, okay, so these things have been set up here. If I open this investors column 2 and if I add other options, when I open this, I see the content in this column is being taken from investors column 3. So if I open this investors column 3, okay, so here everything is written like this corporate governance and earnings. So this is the corporate governance and earnings. If you see this picture, like this picture is from corporate governance. So if I open the widget, open the investors column 3 and check this for images, like this is an image. This image is representing the earning. I'll open it and the other image here, this is representing the corporate governance picture. So I'll have to this one's the picture. So if you see this picture, this is a $100 picture. This one from right here. And if I open this picture, this book with pen, if I open this one, that's it. And same it works. Like if we check stock performance and shareholder FAQ, these things are taken from the investors column too. So to verify it, let me show you the picture. This picture, this is the stock performance picture, and the next picture will be uh, this one. That's the shareholders picture. So if you see this man hand holding this phone, okay, man holding this phone, that's shareholder FAQ. And this picture, this graph on the computer screen, the graph on the computer screen stock performance. So if you want to change these pictures, you just have to upload the picture in the media library from here, and then you have to copy the URL of the picture and you have to paste it uh, right here, like anywhere you want to change, like anywhere where you want to change the pictures. That's how it works.